Hi, this is Mark with my weekly tech news roundup for business leaders, hopefully jargon free. Three things I want to talk about today is artificial intelligence and where I see it going based on the release from IBM of Project Debater. I want to look at what is a digital workplace, one of these modern collaborative workplace environments that everybody wants. And finally, I want to touch upon blockchain. Is it digital snake oil, or is it a solution that's going to be as revolutionary as the internet? So let's get straight on with artificial intelligence, or AI. Big news for me has been the release by IBM of Project Debater. Now, it might be many people's worst nightmare having to argue or debate with a computer, but IBM are demonstrating here some powerful, innovative technologies. Fundamentally, Project Debater understands the context of an argument or debate and in real time constructs its response and delivers its narrative. So where could we start seeing this technology being used? Well, we've been using AI assistants for some time in the form of Siri and Cortana. Now with Project Debater type technology integrated, which are going to improve the interaction with people, you're going to start seeing some very powerful AI solutions. So perhaps it's time that we started looking at what our AI strategy is going to be, or what I like to call your bots and body strategy, where you're going to have a core set of people armed with these Project Debater enabled AI assistants, which are going to help you deliver improved, more accurate, speedier, first-class service to your customers. There's been a lot in the press recently about the digital workplace strategy. And what I want to do is spend a couple of minutes just running through the benefits to business leaders. As a business leader, your main objective is to find the rock stars that are going to drive your business forward. And once you've put together those great teams, you need to provide them with great tools, great modern, flexible, cloud-based tools which allow them to do great work. What I want to do is just drill down for 2 minutes just to discuss this a little bit more detail and possibly bring it to life. So what don't you have? Well, you don't have any servers, you don't have any databases, you no longer have any data on premise, it's all in the cloud. All I've got is my smartphone, my laptop, and a little bit of Wi-Fi access to access these cloud-based services. Using my laptops and smartphones, I'll use apps to access my cloud-based subscription licenses to my CRM and other business systems. Power BI will be used to provide team leaders with performance information about the teams. For example, in a sales situation, that would be all my salespeople's call volumes, the deals that are closing out, and the business KPIs. Everybody will use Office 365 either on the smartphone or on the laptop to access the content, be it I'm in the office with Wi-Fi access to the cloud, or if I'm remote and disconnected. I'll use Microsoft Teams for all my communications and collaborations. That's where I'll go to do my instant messaging. If I want to take part or set up some video or voice calling, that's where I'll do it. And if I need to quickly spin up a new project team and invite colleagues to it, that's where I'll store relevant content and where I'll go to view the latest chat around that project. And finally, everybody will get a soft phone with a quality Bluetooth headset so I can make or take calls from my laptop, or equally seamlessly, if I'm remote from the office, do so from my smartphone. In my opinion, the drive to a digital workplace, a new flexible cloud-based model, is compelling for a number of key reasons. One, it'll fit your employees' work-life balance. There's a general blurring of that work-life world where I want to work early in the morning, late in the evening, whatever suits me. It also allows me to start avoiding that daily commuter grind, and I become more productive and more committed to the organization. It'll provide your business with the flexibility to quickly spin up new teams in new international locations quickly and seamlessly. And from a business perspective, I now no longer have to retain expensive city-based office space, because now I'm moving into a hot desking world, so my cost of office space dramatically reduces. And finally, I'd like your opinion on whether you believe blockchain is just another digital snake oil. The reason I ask, I attended an event, a debate actually, earlier on this week, which was discussing whether blockchain was going to be as revolutionary as the internet has become, or is just another technology thrashing around looking for a problem to solve. I went along to be enthused, given direction, excited about blockchain, but for now anyway, came away believing, yes, it was just another digital snake oil. So please let me know what you think. So that's it for another weekly tech news roundup for business leaders, hopefully jargon free. So what have we learned? We've seen how IBM's Project Debater is setting the pace for what tomorrow's AI assistants will start providing. We looked at the digital workplace strategy and the benefits it offers your business, as well as importantly your people. And finally, we questioned the value of blockchain, especially in the near term. So I'll say goodbye and look forward to seeing you this time next week.